In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of transferring your Presto card balance to a new card. While it's an easy process, it requires a different approach. Firstly, click on Support at the top right corner of the Presto website. From there, select Refund or Lost Damaged Card. This is the only way to request a refund or transfer your balance. On the refund page, you'll find options such as Refund for a physical Presto card Refund Form B and Refund Pro to a Google Wallet. Choose the option that suits your situation. For transferring your balance, select Lost or Damaged Card page. Click on Report Now to sign in to your Presto account and report your physical card as lost or damaged. Once signed in, you'll see your Presto account balance. Select Cancel and Transfer Balance to transfer your balance to another card in your account. Choose the appropriate transfer option, keeping in mind that the transfer may take 4 to 24 hours. Enter your Presto card number and agree to the terms and conditions. Confirm the transfer, and you'll receive a confirmation email. Your refund or balance transfer will be processed within 24 to 48 hours. That's it! You've successfully transferred your Presto card balance to a new card.